Hi guys, today I will show you and give you a demo on this pin extractor. This one is made by Jonard Industries. So this specific model is for contact sizes 16 to 20 AWG, and the model for this one is R-5926. Okay, they have different sizes pin extractors as shown here. So you can see different sizes of like A4598 for size 20, then 4599 size 16, and so on. Okay, so I open this now. So just slide the paper. There's also plastic here, and this one. Okay, the dimension. So it is 3 inches when it's pushed in. Yeah, like about 3 1/4. Then long is 4.5 inches. Okay, so I will also like to measure the diameter of the hole, or the this part just outside diameter. So it's about 3.5 millimeters. I don't know if I can measure inside diameter, but let's try. Yep, inside diameter is I think 2.5 millimeters. Okay, so I will try to show you how to extract the pin. Okay, I have here a connector with the cable, with the wire inside. So just push this in. Yep. Then push in, then out. So that's easy. What's happening is when you push this in, then the this part is closing this lock. Then it can be pushed out without this. This one is being folded or straightened. Show you again. So you can see there's a like a ear. Then when you push it in, put it in, then it's closing. Then when you press this one, then it will be pushed out like that. Okay, so if you want to put it back, just push this one in. Now it's locked again. Try one more time. Push it in, then out. That's it. So very easy to use. So again, this one is a Jonard pin extractor. Okay, thank you for watching.